glad you're here. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the 17-day upper body bat wing challenge. You've got this, and I've got 10 amazing workouts for you that are going to sculpt your shoulders, your back, your arms. I've got tips and tricks to help get rid of that crepey skin because, hey, we know in those 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond, we get that loosey-goosey kind of crepey skin. Hi, I'm Becca, 58 years old, a trainer for 37 years. I myself have been working out since I am 7 years old, and I am super, super glad to bring to you the PowHERbands system, along with some other tools and tricks with balls, dish towels, body weight chairs, you name it. We're gonna hit it, we're gonna have fun. It is perfect for every level, so tell your friends about it, and I will see you each day on demand. You'll be able to do these workouts wherever and however the time works for you. All right, let's hit it strong. Make sure you join the private Facebook group as well, and I'll see you there with some live calls. All right, you guys, create your best day ever and get it.